Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in Mazda 3 SP25 2009 model, and this one belonging to the generation 2009 and 2012. So on the screen here, on the panel here now, it is the 9-inch full setup, wireless CarPlay, USB CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, USB Android Auto, and also connect steering wheel control, and also connect with the full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, which you can quickly see over here. Okay, and now that is the full setup that we fit in for the owner, and at this moment everything is beautiful running, and on the screen it is wireless Android Auto that connect to our phone which we are recording this video. So yep, you know that the factory radio is here. It's like this one. Okay, and after that it come to this. So everything is perfectly fit in the dash and perfectly aligned to the edge. So everything everywhere nicely fit, no problem, and all good. We're setting. We are ready to call the owner, and we are ready for everything. So yep, thanks again for watching Mazda 3 2009 model, full setup, 9-inch touchscreen. See you on the next one.